Hi friends, in this session of fraction we study about the operations of fractions. In operations of fraction we study about the subtraction. We see subtraction of two fractions over the two rational numbers. So here you look at in these questions. Here the subtraction we have also two cases as we have seen in addition where the denominators are same. Here you see the denominators are same in all the questions. There is 7 and here is also 7, 4, 4, 12, 12 and so on. So we will subtract this the same way as we have done in the addition. We have to follow the same rule here. We will take the denominator common, we will put down 7 here and we will subtract the numerator. So we get here 1 minus 5. 1 is positive and 5 is negative. The greater number has negative sign, so we will get minus 4. So minus 4 over 7. So we get here minus 4 over 7. Here in this question you see in the denominator there is 4 which is same in both the fractions. So we get it common 4 and numerator we will subtract 5 minus 3. So we get here 2 over 4, which is, if we simplify this, we get 2 1 time, 2 2 times. So we get here 1 over 2. Here in third question C, you see the denominator is 12 which is same in both the fractions. So we take it common 12 and 7 minus 5, we have to subtract the numerators. 7 minus 5 is 2 over 12. Now we simplify this, so we get here 2 1 times and 2 6 times. So finally we get 1 over 6. Now in question D you see the denominator is 5 which is same in both the fractions. We have to subtract this, we take 5 common and 2 minus 7, which is 2 minus 7 is minus 5 over 5. We simplify this, 5 1 time, 5 1 time, so we get here minus 1. In question E, you see in the denominator there is 3 which is same in both the fractions. So we write 3 common in denominator and 8 minus 10, which is minus 2 over 3. So in this way we could solve the subtraction problem of fraction or the rational numbers. Now I would like to explain you case 2 where the denominators are not same. So here you see the denominators is 2 in first fraction and the 4 in second fraction. So here we have to follow the rule. First of all we have to find out the LCM of this. As I explained in previous session, I explain you how we get the LCM. Write down 2 and 4 the denominators of both fractions and we do the prime factorization of this. 2 1 time, 2 2 times and here 2 1 and 1 times. We multiply these factors 2 into 2 which is 4. So this 4 is the LCM for this. First of all we have to make the denominators equal to the LCM. So here in the first fraction which is 1 over 2, so we have to make denominator 4 which should be equal to the LCM. So we multiply 2. So if we multiply 2 in the denominator, we must multiply in the numerator. Minus 3 over 4, there is already 4 which is equal to the LCM. So we get here 2 over 4 minus 3 over 4. So finally we get, because now the denominators are same in both the fractions, so we take it common and we subtract the numerator. So we get minus 1 over 4. So this is the final answer we have received. The other way I would like to explain here. Otherwise we use the other technique, 2 1 times and 2 2 times. Now we make the crisscross multiplication of this diagonally and in the denominator and with SCF of this, the highest common factor of these two numbers which are in denominator. So the highest common factor here is 2 because we have divided this by 2. So we could write in this way here. Now we simplify this, we multiply this 1 with the denominator of second number, the numerator of second number with denominator of first number. So 1 into 2 minus 1 into 3 over, we have to multiply the denominator whatever we have together what we have found here after dividing by the SCF. 1 into 2 and we have to multiply the SCF. SCF was 2 here. So here we get 2 minus 3, 1 into 2 into 2 which is 4. So it is minus 1 over 4. It is same as it is we have found through this LCM taking method. So the SCF taking method and the LCM taking method. So now I do next question. The second technique we will get there is no SCF in these denominators. 3 and 2 there is no highest common factor except 1. So we follow the same technique as we have done previously in the questions. We multiply this here and 3 with 7 and these together. So we get here so we do it 2 into 2 minus 3 into 7 over 3 into 2. Remember that there is a negative sign in between, so we have to put always negative sign. So it is 4 minus 21 over 6. So here you see 4 minus 21 which is 17 over 6. So it is improper fractions we have because the numerator is greater than denominator. So we will simplify this. We will make it the form of mixed fraction. So we will divide the numerator by denominator. 6 2 times 12. Here we get 5. So we write in this way. Finally we get here 2 is 2, 5 over 6. So this would be the answer for this. Now look at another question. Question C, you see in first fraction there is 4 over 3 and the second fraction there is 6 over 5. We have to subtract this. So we follow the same procedure here. So first of all we will multiply the numerator of first fraction with the denominator of second fraction and the numerator of second fraction with the denominator of first fraction and subtract it. As the symbol is minus, so we have to subtract, and we will multiply the denominator together. So in this way you see I write down this here 4 into 5 minus 3 into 6 over 3 into 5. So we get here 4 5 times 20 and 3 6 times 18 and 3 5 times 15. So we get here 2 over 15. So which is a proper fraction here because the numerator is smaller than denominator. So we have got this answer. Now you look at here in these questions D. Here we have 6 over 10, 7 over 6. So here in 10 and 6 you see there is, we could find out the highest common factor. There is a common factor 2 in both the fractions in the denominator. So we divide 2 3 times and 2 5 times. Then what we have to do, we have to crisscross, we have to make the crisscross multiplication here. The numerator of first fraction with the this whatever we have got of the division with the SCF. So we have to multiply this. So we will multiply 3 with 6 and 5 with 7 and this together along with the SCF. Here the SCF is 2, we have divided by 2 here, 10 and 6. So I would write down here 6 into 3 minus, we have a minus sign here, 5 into 7 over 5 into 3 into SCF. So 5 into 3 into SCF we have 2. So we simplify this now. So now we simplify this. 6 3 times 18, 5 7 times 35, and in denominator 5 3 times 15, 2 times 30. So we get here 30. So now we get here 18 minus 35, we get here 17. Denominator we get here 30. So it is proper fraction because the numerator is less than denominator. So we have got the final answer here. Now the last question we are doing here. We have question E, 3 over 5 minus 16 over 15. So here also you see in the denominator there is highest common factor which is 5. the both numbers could be divided by the highest number, which is 5. So I simplify this here. First 5 one time and 5 3 times. So now what we have to do, we have to multiply these 3 here in crisscross technique and 1 here, and these together along with their SCF. So here the SCF is 5 because we have divided by 5 both the numbers. So now we simplify this. 3 with 3, this 3 with 3 minus 1 into 16, 1 into 16, and in denominator 1 into 3 into SCF. So 1 into 3 into 5. Now we simplify this. 3 times 9, 16 1 times 16, and it is 15 in denominator. So we get here minus 7 over 15. So we have got here minus 7 over 15 because the numerator is smaller than denominator, so it is proper fraction. So it is our final answer. So in this way we could subtract two fractions or the two rational numbers. It is given to us whether it may be the same denominators or may be different.